dudes parked outside the club.
See, I told you so. I told you.
Dude drives into the club.
I told you.
Reverses.
I told you so.
And he's running back into the club. This is horrible. This is horrible.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Backs up into another truck.
Oh my god. Yeah, and he's going again.
He's going in again.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And I think he's done.
Oh god. Dude, this guy's going to get killed. This guy's going to get killed. Oh my god.
They're throwing rocks in the car.
Going there. Oh my god.
Alright. And this is Africa, as we can hear from the sound from the commentary. So, what do we have taking place here? Stand by. Boom! What's up, you guys? Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Learn protection tactics from a protection professional. Let's take this event from the beginning and take a look at what we can learn from this scenario. So more and more these days, we're seeing different types of attacks. So like at first it was like human threat, like an active shooter situation was kind of what you would be looking at most often. It's like, you know, someone goes active, they're gonna be a shooter. But then you start seeing like active knife attacks. And also what we're seeing is vehicle-borne attacks. And I think it's really, really significant because vehicles are all around us at all times, everywhere we go, no matter what it is we do. You know, you're walking around and there's just vehicles around you and like you don't think anything of it. But I think there's a lot to be said for the level of situational awareness that is prudent around vehicles, because they can do a lot of damage, as you can see. I mean, this guy's driving directly into a structure, and I'm doubtful that everyone could get out of the way. I don't have the specifics on this, but I did hear it had something to do with like him not being allowed into the club, his girlfriend being allowed into the club, and you know, he wasn't having it, you know. So you've got to be paying attention when you're around vehicles. If you're in a violent altercation or even social violence and that person gets in their car, I know our natural inclination is to be like, okay, boom, we made it. I made it. It's all good. He's getting in the car. He's going home. But like, what if he's not though? He just got in the helm, got at the helm of a lethal weapon, you know, a force multiplier, because that's what vehicles truly, truly are. So if you're looking at, you know, someone that you just got out of a violent altercation with, they go get in a car, you still need to be like code yellowish orange and make sure that that vehicle, that there are barricades or terrain features in your environment between you and that vehicle. This is very important. And then for security purposes, if you're securing an environment, if you're securing a structure, something you really should look into is getting components of that structure designed outside of that structure, barricades and things like that, that are going to protect you from a vehicle-borne attack, because vehicle-borne attacks like these are devastating and there's generally not a lot people can do. And so the way you win battles like this is you win them before they start by putting barricades and pallets and different things down to protect your structure from this type of an attack. There's a lot of venues where this is big, faith-based organizations, clubs, things like that. Any place where you think someone might try to attack in any way possible. The third consideration is, you know, understanding how to engage a vehicle with your firearm, understanding the angle of deflection of ammunition as it passes through windshields, understanding what type of, like maybe you should have a magazine of ball ammo, a hardball full metal jacket with you if you're working at a venue like this and you might have to stop a vehicle, because there is one thing that can stop a vehicle-borne attack, and that's a good guy with a vehicle or a gun. Good to go. So you guys stay frosty out there. This is Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review, reminding you to be peaceful, but not harmless. I'll see you guys at the next piece of content, or train with me at protectorsymposium.com. Out. Boom!